I'll show you an exciting new feature in the Wiiisdom Cloud platform that allows you to do version control in Tableau. First of all, introducing the version scanner. This tool automatically captures versions of new or updated workbooks for your sites or selected projects. Once we have these versions, we head over to the version browser. Here you can see all the versions of your documents, providing a comprehensive audit trail. And don't worry about access rights. In Wiiisdom, users have the same rights to their content as they do in Tableau. No one can see more or less than what they have access to. You can preview each version, compare them visually with other versions, and even roll back to a previous version if necessary. So, what more do we add to what's already available in Tableau? First, we accept any number of versions. There's no limit. Second, our automatic comparison feature saves you time and effort when trying to identify changes between versions. Third, versions cannot be deleted, which is perfect for regulated industries and serves as a single source of truth. And finally, we provide a detailed audit trail with even more features coming soon. Thanks for watching! We hope you enjoy using the version control for Tableau with Wiiisdom, and stay tuned for more updates.